In this video, we'll be going over how to use your router in FlashCut. So to start off with, we'll go over to our configuration, and we'll want to set up our router setup file. So we'll load that. That should be in your C FlashCut data, FlashCut CNC9 setup. Once that loads, you'll see that the setup file is router.setup. You can also check your fabrication head and make sure your spindle 1 router is loaded. Now we can just hit the X button, close out. We'll just be doing a simple shape. Send that over to cam. Sometimes you will not get the actual cutting path here. You will just get an exclamation point with a box. That's just because we have not set up the router head yet. We'll go over to our material. Put in your material and the thickness of your material. Also, you can put in your width and your length if you're to be doing any nesting. To set up your cut, you'll just want to click on your tool path. Now you can select your fabrication head as your router, what tool you'd like to be using, and select all your numbers. I'll use a specified depth. My total depth will be 0.125. My depth step will be 0.5, feed rate of 10 inches per minute, and a punch rate of 5. I will do no lead and select that. As you can see, now I have my tool path written. Push that to CNC. One important thing you want to do is load your tool up in the corner. To zero out my router, I'll just run my Z down. You want this down to the board, but not pressing into the board. Then I'll go to set, 0Z, or if I have all my axes set up, I can just hit 0 all. Now you'll be loaded up and ready to cut. To load the tools in, we'll go back to configuration, go to tooling, new tool, and then you'll just enter in all the numbers that are supplied with your tooling that you buy. You'll also select which tool you'll be putting in. Save that, and that's the basics of running your router with FlashCut.